Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be showing you how do I make my personal planner. So for this all you need is a binder which is available in all the stores, or you can even make a handmade binder. To make this handmade binder, I will be linking down my YouTube channel video in the description box below. Go and have a check on the YouTube video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let us start preparing our planner. Here I have printed few of the sheets from Pinterest, days of the week and few of the other stuffs which are very important to be in a planner. This is a weekly planner. You can see all the dates and respective few important stuffs which are mentioned in the corner. So now let us start placing. For the first I will be showing you, this is a photo sheet which I'll be pasting in the first page, and before that we need to mark it from 2 cm downwards and cut the corners so that it gives a perfect shape. Eventually cut them from the corners. Now here you can use double-sided tape to paste it. Using a glue can create a little mess, so go for double-sided tape and paste it on the binder. Now here I am using some of the sticky notepads. You can paste them with the help of double-sided tape. Cut a piece of double-sided tape and paste it on backwards of the sticky notepad and paste it on the photo sheet copy which we have pasted on the binder. So here we are done with our first corner. Let us move to the next process. You will need few different color sheets for dividers. First, mark them with the borders. You can use a pencil or you can directly mark it with the pen or any black color sketch or anything whatever you prefer. So here I am marking this page as timetable 1. You can do it the way you want. The next thing, we are going to punch the sheet. To punch the sheet, first you need to fold the sheet in two and mark the center point. Use your punch. As you can see, there is an arrow mark on your punch. You need to place the line near exactly on the opposite side of the arrow and punch it now. You get a center point which will be helpful for you to mark the paper on the binder. Now place the sheet on the binder. So now let's move to the next process. Mark the borders, and for the dividers just draw any of the picture or anything whatever you like so that it can mention it as to be a divider. But for this I am marking a circle with a pen and trying to write my personal planner on this picture. Erase the pencil marks so that it looks neat and clean. Now I am drawing some leafy structures to give a different style. You can do it the way you want. Moving on to the next divider. I have drawn a random picture and mentioned it as Students' Corner. Now let us all start placing them in the binder. So on the first page I am placing my planner divider, and next it will be followed with the timetable. Now place the printed sheets from Pinterest. We need to divide them in two equals, one for teacher sections and one for student section. So this is for teacher section. And next we are going to place the student corner divider. In the last, we are going to place the next printouts which are taken from Pinterest. This will be Students' Corner. At last, I have placed few of the extra white sheets for any other information or important notes. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting WAM'S tutorial. Thank you.